Well, hello there, friends. I'm sharing with you my secret for the fantastic and most delicious chicken salad. The secret is that emulsified vinaigrette that I'm gonna make. None of that mayonnaise creamy dressing. This is gonna be delicious, I promise you. We got the grilled chicken, we got radishes, we got tomatoes, we got mangoes, cucumbers, all kind of goodies, all cut to perfection. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Stay tuned, friends. We're gonna do it right now. Okay, friends. Well, let me show you how to make this beautiful chicken salad. Not going to be one of those mayonnaise chicken salad, which sometimes they're okay, but I'm going to do it with a nice, beautiful emulsified vinaigrette. First, I got chicken breasts right here, friends. Big chicken breast. I'm going to cut them in half because I'm going to grill them. And if I don't grill them, if I don't cut them in half, they're too big. It's going to take forever to cook. So what I do is I cut them in half. Really simple. I take my my slicer knife. See, I go up and down, up and down, up and down, and go all the way to the end. And now I got two beautiful scallopinis. Okay, all right. So now I got my grill right here. I got my sanitized water. A lot of people are asking me all the time, what is it? It's a sanitized water that I use, and you can use about a gallon of water and 3 or 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. Or, you know, it depends what it is you're cooking and cleaning. You can put a little bit of bleach, but not the two of them together. Or vinegar or bleach, but not the two. Huh? One time I said that without being specifying, so it's very important. So 3 or 4 tablespoons of white vinegar and a little soap, and you have yourself a sanitized rag. You see, I use it all the time, and on the channel, and then you have a sanitized water, and then you don't worry. You can go like this with your rag, and everything is sanitized. Okay, friends. But also the chicken comes in with the tenderloin inside the breast, so we're going to handle that as well. Okay. So I'm going to put that in the fridge. We're going to grill them, and I keep them in the fridge, and then I'll clean this up again in a minute. But the sanitized water allows me to just clean as I go and not having to worry too much about it. So we're going to grill them. Of course, if I had the grill, then I'll grill them, but this is a grill pan, and it'll have to do because we don't have a grill in the studio here, friends. So I'm putting a little clarified butter. You can put a good cooking oil in there, or whatever it is you have, but I love clarified butter. I love butter, period. So we're going to put that in there. We're going to wait for it to be about 365. And when it is, which it is right now, we're just going to take the chicken and we're going to put it in there. And we're not going to touch it. We're just going to leave it alone. We take it right there and we don't touch it. Leave it alone. So all we're going to do, we're going to put the tenderloin as well here. I'm going to sanitize this like I have with my water. Make sure everything is sanitized. And then we're in good shape. We're going to leave the chicken right here like this, friends. I'm not touching it. Now, you know, you can also use, let me just clean everything up here. You can also use, friends, a nice rotisserie chicken. You know, I don't know if where you live you have a Costco, but they do a great job. Costco rotisserie chicken is fabulous. And you can make the same exact salad. The salad is mostly about the vinaigrette, friends. Okay? So everything is nice and clean. We're in good shape. I'm going to put everything away here. Don't touch the chicken, eh? Let her do his thing, but don't touch it. If you touch it now, it's going to stick. It ever happen? You put something on the grill or in a grill pan, and then you touch it before the protein have an opportunity to release themselves. And what will happen? It sticks. So leave it alone. Okay? Don't do anything to it. And you'll see it's going to be perfectly fine. We're going to make a nice little vinaigrette here, friends. All right? And in the vinaigrette, I like to make an emulsion. An emulsion, the emulsifier we're going to use is going to be Dijon mustard. And for this, friends, I mean, you can use yellow mustard if you want, but trust me, it's best if you use Dijon mustard. All right? And now I'm going to make this salad just for 2 people. Okay, so it's just to give you an idea. But you know, I don't mind making extra vinaigrette. Did I pour some on the side here? They go on the, yeah, it went on the outside. Yeah, vinaigrette. I was just saying something and I forgot what I was talking about. Make extra, friends, because vinaigrette will last a long time. As long as you don't put too many fresh ingredients in it, it'll last a long time. Okay, so I make extra and I keep it in the fridge. All right, we're going to put a little bit of garlic. I forgot to take all my spoons today. I always forget something. A little bit of garlic here, just a little chopped garlic. We're going to put some parsley, beautiful Italian parsley in the salad. So I'm going to get a little bit of it in the dressing with the garlic. I'm going to put some for acidity. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice. So now, if your lemon are very acid, you may have to watch it on the vinegar. But the perfect vinaigrette, friends, is to have a perfect balance between the sweet and the acid, or the fat and the acid. All right? So now, friends, we have this beautiful olive oil. I'm using a garlic olive oil. If you have it, great. If you don't have it, use a good olive oil. I'm hearing this thing over here. It's making a lot of noise. Let's check it out real quick, just to see how we're doing. Okay, it's good. It's doing its thing. It's good. I'm not going to touch it because it's not ready to go up. If I try to pull it now, it's going to stick. And I'm also going to put a little bit of Sicilian lemon vinegar, if you have it. If you don't, then you use a good white wine vinegar, friends. And now we're going to create what is called an emulsion. When you emulsify everything together, okay, look, you take it. Now, it's easier to do if you have one of those. If not, you can use a regular blender, okay? And you create, salt and pepper. You put some salt in there and some pepper right there. And now we're going to create a perfect emulsion. And right there, friends, you see, look. See how beautiful that is? A child could do this. You see, now we have a perfect, beautiful vinaigrette. You see, friends? Now, I always tell people, let me just check my chicken before I tell you anything. Let's check it. Okay, it's good. Oh, don't touch it. It's sticking. So we're going to leave it alone. Leave it alone. I tell you to do things, then I don't do it. Ay. Do as I say, not as I do, not as I tell you. All right, look, friends. Do as I do, not as I say. Oh, it's delicious already. It's got the perfect. I got lucky because it's not acid, it's not fatty, it's perfect balance. This is what you have to try to aim for, friends. Is the lemon too acid? Is the oil oily? Do I taste the garlic? Do I taste the mustard? You see how simple that was? It's a beautiful vinaigrette. I'm telling you, I just got lucky. Otherwise, you adjust. All right? I just got lucky. I got it right here. So now let me just put this out of the way. Let me just flip my chicken. Flip it on the other side. And we're going to now finish the salad, friends. Okay? Now, the salad, what I like to do is I like to put a little bit of dressing in the bottom. All right? And then we're going to put ingredients. Now, I got a bunch of ingredients. You may not want to do all those ingredients. It's really up to you what you want to do. I got some mixed green here, friends. Mixed green. Put whatever green you want to put in there. It's really a matter of opinion, again. Okay, I got a bunch of mixed green in there. Sometimes I just do it with romaine. I do it with whatever green I got, right? And then I'm going to put here some cherry tomatoes. Oh, no, those are Campari tomatoes. Then I have diced, sliced in quarters. Cut them in half, and cut them in half again until I have a bite size. The idea is to have a bite size. I got the cucumbers. Same thing. I take the cucumber, I cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. So I got quarters. Okay? And I put it there. It's got to be like a good salad, friends, is a salad that's got a lot of dimensions. Now, I put some raw mushroom, sliced thin. You don't like them? Just don't put them in. Don't worry. This is like if you have it, you put it in. For extra texture, friends, we're going to put some celery, but you see, cut in very little pieces. This is all to create a texture, right? Mangoes. I got mangoes because it's season right now. So I got little mangoes. I'm going to put a little mangoes in there. You don't have any, put some melon in there. I tell you, melon is excellent. It gives it a beautiful color. And we're going to put some radishes. And then the radishes, I cut them very thin. You know, sometimes you buy radishes a different color. This time we had purple one, we had red one, we had white ones. And I cut them in very thin slices. You see, look, very thin slices. And then you put a few leaves of the parsley. Or herbs, any herbs you like. Dill is good in there. Cilantro is good in there. You know, just get out of the box of just plain things, some mayonnaise and things to make a salad. Very simple. The radishes, friends, I cut it with a mandolin. I want to show you. I want to show you how I do it with a mandolin. Let me see. How am I doing over there, friends? Everything's looking good? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, we're looking good. Yeah, we're looking good. All right, so now you know what we're going to do. We're going to put it this way, give it a little green mark on the other side, and the chicken is going to be ready. All right? I want to show you how to cut that radishes in the mandolin, friends. What I do is I cut it this way, then I cut it this way, and then you know what I do, because this is it's very close, and you can't use the guard. So you know what I do, friends? I take a fork, and I go to the small part of the radishes, and I go like this. Look, I don't know if Jack is going to be able to show you, but it comes out beautiful underneath, see? And then if you rotate it, you go like this. And you got yourself beautiful slices of radishes. All right, friends? It's simple to do. If you don't have a mandolin, just use a knife. And this usually, you know what, I like to eat it with salt and butter. You put a piece of bread with butter on it, and you take the radishes, I'm breaking everything. You take the radishes, I'm dropping everything today, I'm a mess. All right, friend, this chicken is ready. Yes, you see we got a little cross mark in there. Oh yeah, it's ready. Now we're gonna put them here for now. Get them out of here. I got this pan out of here, so it doesn't smoke up the whole studio. It's actually doing smoking the whole studio, so we're gonna put it right here. Stay right there. All right, I'm gonna make the salad now, friends. All right, we're good. We're gonna mix all this up. I do have a little bit of a mess, don't I? Oh well. So we're gonna wait for this. We're gonna mix this up. Let me get the tools that I have to mix. And so remember, my dressing is in the bottom. So all I gotta do now is bring everything else from the top, and then I'll decorate the plate and I'll make it a cool little plate. You come back over here. Remember, how much dressing you put in is really up to you, my friends. You like to put a lot of dressing, you like to put less dressing. It's really up to you. Let me put just a little bit more green right there. And then we're gonna make a plate, and then we're gonna decorate the plate, make it look pretty. We're gonna make it look real pretty, really simple. I think I heard a doorbell. Here we go. We'll put that in here like this. And a salad. Let me get a thing right there. And voila, we got ourselves a beautifully mixed salad. Very simple, a little different of a chicken salad. You can make it a nice dinner. I mean, a nice dinner. Yeah, exactly. I love having salads for lunch or dinner, make it pretty. And then what you do, you take a few of the ingredients and you have, so it becomes a little pretty. You take more of the radishes, right? And you put them around, friends. You see? Then we're gonna go, what kind of radishes are those? They're not even red. See, make it look pretty. I know I have some red ones in there, and there, and there. I have some red ones. There you go, right? And then we can fix it up like that. And then we're gonna take a chicken, friends, that we have right there. And we're gonna cut ourselves some nice pieces of chicken. Let me get my knife. And voila. Whew. My thumbs are hot. I don't know why they're hot. There you go. And then you fix your chicken however you want to do it. You can mix it with the whole grain, or you can just take it and put it like this. And you have yourself a beautiful salad, my friends. And very simple. This is not your typical chicken salad. You can fix it up with more fruit on the top, more tomatoes, just to make it look pretty. It's up to you, my friends. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really a quick little salad to make. The secret is the emulsion in the dressing. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to give it a try because I got to try my food all the time. I love it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll write a perfect recipe for you to make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching, friends. Enjoy the salad.